In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to all slides in PowerPoint. Adding your logo to every slide is a simple way to keep your presentation looking professional and on brand, without having to manually copy and paste it over and over. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the right way to do it so that your logo appears consistently on all slides, and so it's easy to change or remove later if you need to. First, open your PowerPoint presentation. You can use an existing file or start with a blank one. Once your presentation is open, we're not going to insert the logo directly onto individual slides. Instead, we'll work with something called the Slide Master. The Slide Master controls the overall layout and elements that appear across multiple slides, which is exactly what we want for a logo. To access this, go to the top menu and click on the View tab. In the View tab, look for the option called Slide Master and select it. Your screen will change to show a list of slide layouts on the left side, with one bigger slide at the top. That top slide is the actual Slide Master. Anything you place on this master slide will appear on all the layouts beneath it, and in turn, on all slides that use those layouts. Now, with the Slide Master selected, go to the Insert tab. Choose Pictures, then pick where your logo file is stored, such as on your computer or in the cloud. Select your logo image and click Insert. Your logo will appear on the Slide Master. It might come in large or in an awkward position at first, and that's completely fine. Click the logo and resize it by dragging the corners, keeping it small enough that it doesn't distract from your content. A common choice is to place the logo in the bottom right or bottom left corner so it's visible but not in the way. You can drag it into position and use the alignment guides that appear to help keep it nicely aligned with the slide edges. Once you're happy with the size and placement, remember that this logo will now carry through to all slides that are based on these layouts. To return to your normal editing view, go to the Slide Master tab at the top and click Close Master View. Now, scroll through your slides. You should see the logo automatically showing on each one. If any slide doesn't have it, that slide might be using a different layout. You can fix this by selecting the slide, going to the Home tab, clicking Layout, and choosing one of the layouts that includes your logo. That's all you need to add your logo to every slide in PowerPoint in a clean, consistent way.